bottom part.
Oh, there's already somebody who's going to beat me here, probably. I think I'm going to break off.
Yeah, just come to the bottom part with me, and we'll go to the town after.
Alright, we're going to have to worry about this guy trying to fucking plug us. Oh, you got somebody down there with you, too. No, machete. Coming for you. Just keep running circles.
I outplayed the shit out of him.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, I just came in.
Okay. I just ran around until I got in the building, grabbed the gun, and killed him.
Hell yeah, man.
Whew. Dude, I'm fucking, my heart's going like 100 beats a minute right now.
Nice. Oh yeah, he's by the gas station.
Gonna be one more, gonna be one more.
Yeah.
I only got knocked out.
Okay, car.
Perfect, dudes. Just wait for them to get closer. Okay, get ready. Okay, open fire. He's dead. There was just only one. I triple headshot him. Guys behind us, at the U-Out.
I don't see him.
Okay,
yep, yeah, I see it now.
Well, I should have told you you're gonna shoot. Fuck.
Sorry, man, I didn't realize we were not waiting on that. I thought they were gonna...
I was waiting for you. I could have shot them when I told you.
My bad.
It's not behind them though.
Yeah.
It's not like from...
Alright, we got a US coming in.
Okay, let's fuck them up.
Are we waiting?
I'll tell you. Yeah, we're waiting.
Okay.
Right about when they're about to hit the fucking truck. Get ready?
Yep.
Okay, go. Both dead, both dead.
Alright, I'll get me good.
Okay, just use some ammo.
Alright. Oh, we got another vehicle.
Car coming.
Alright, knocked one out.
You finish him. I need ammo. I need ammo.
He's gonna... This shit's gonna explode. Alright, ammo on deck. Where did he go?
The truck, to the right.
Okay, I'm not gonna stand up. Alright, do we push him or do we just wait?
Hold that, hold it.
Okay, there's another guy way back on the bridge.
Dead?
Fucking nice. Alright, he's coming out right now. He's trying to peek. He's dead. Alright, I'm gonna go loot the bar guy.
Behind us, I think you are. Behind it.
Yep. Alright.
Behind the bus stop.
Yeah, I see him. Hit him.
I don't have sight from this side. He's getting shot at from behind. He's dead, he's dead. I'm gonna loot real quick.
Yep. I'm gonna loot the far guy. Nice. Dude, this has been fucking titties, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see someone at the airdrop.
Okay, I can't really...
Yeah, tier 3 helmet. I just
oh, yeah.
damaged it.
Yeah, I got you.
He's down. He's dead. His buddy's somewhere around there.
Wait until they crest over. Alright, yep. Oh, they're fucked.
Just, he went down instant? Dead?
Yeah, his buddy was out in the...
His buddy got shot at from people from our east. I don't think I even hit him once. I see 2 people prone. 285. I'm about to take a shot.
Okay, coming up and helping you. Where are they at?
One now, 285, 300 at the... I got hit with an AWM from behind.
From behind?
Yeah, right there. That guy. He's like directly ahead of me. He can shoot you from there. He just threw a grenade.
I don't see him. Okay, yeah.
Somewhere, right on us somewhere. Dude.
Rushing him. He's dead.
Okay, these guys are right here at the power. Oh, we gotta go.
Yep.
Behind us, in the blue. I don't have shots, I can't shoot him.
He's dead. He died instant.
I'm stuck here. 2 people, straight.
Okay.
One down, I need to heal. There's one to the corner.
He's dead.
Both dead?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Right here, from?
Coming from the northeast side, really. It's
I
fucking...
think there's some people in these houses in front of us. So,
yeah.
and they're gonna be able to get in. I think we gotta push this soon. I think we gotta push to the other side of the circle. You see this hill right in front of me? They're fighting. I see one.
Yep. Let's push forward to this little depression up here, and then just stay low.
Yeah, I see one behind the rock.
Yeah, he doesn't know we're here. Let's just hang tight and not give up the position yet.
Yeah, I agree. I don't see him right now. The other people are right in front of us, too.
Yep. They can't sneak around us. We'll be able to see him. Okay, yep, he's behind the house. He just moved. Where the fuck is the fucking other team, though? They must be back there, because that's where they were fighting towards.
2v2 or it's 1v1? It's a 2v2 or 2v11? I'm pretty sure it's
Okay, he's creeping up on the hill, on the road right now. Let's wait for him to push until he comes.
I see him. Yeah, I see.
You want to wait on it?
Yeah, wait on it.
I could probably grenade him, maybe.
It's 2v2, dude. I'm gonna take one out.
Alright, they're pushing from 2 different angles. Grenading.
Okay. One out.
Dude!
Nice. Let's go!
Oh yeah, baby!
Fuck yeah, dude.
I had 5 kills, which isn't bad. What'd you have, like 15?
12. 12, yeah.
Damn.
100.